First, I think we must understand that liking poetry and appreciating the art form are two different things. Start by reading a variety of poets and styles to find what might resonate with you. Bookstores, independent and otherwise, have poetry sections. Just go in, sit, flip through books, see what grabs your eye. Attend poetry readings. Hear from the poets maybe right in your community. Do poetry workshops and get involved in discussions to deepen your understanding. Poetry can be an emotional and intellectual experience, so allow yourself to feel and think deeply. Modern poetry, which is the genre of poetry that I'm a part of, tends to be more inclusive and digestive than the poetry of yesteryear. It's more accessible. So you might be able to get into it more that way. And after all that, if you find you don't like reading poetry still, that's fine too. It's just not the genre for you, maybe. You can still appreciate the talent and passion of poets and the joy their work brings to others, though.